In this video, I will show you the statistics and analytics of your business. Open the menu. Click Statistics. This shows how much money your business made, how many bookings you had, and the average money earned per booking. You can download and print from here. Revenue by vehicle. This shows how much money each car made. Monthly revenue. Revenue by car type. Revenue by car transmission. Top customer nationality. Here you can see how early customers book before the rental date. Most requested car locations. Revenue by locations. Agent performance shows how many bookings each agent added and how they are performing. You can print and download each of them. Thank you for watching.